Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. I have another fashion edition video. Today's video is all about colors, how to match your colors. I am always asked, how do you know what color goes with this? How do you know to match this color with that? So I decided, why not bring a video to all of my beauties that want to know how to match colors. Now, I love to pop color in my outfits. That's my thing. That's what I like to do. Everyone has their own unique style. There is no right or wrong way to do this thing called fashion. You can put whatever color you want with whatever you want. Point blank, period. All I'm doing is giving you a baseline of how I put my colors together. And I am beginning the color that I'm wearing. This is my favorite color this season. I love the way this color mesh against the melanin. So what I want to start off with is showing you how I paired this yellow top with a pair of denim Bermuda shorts. Normally, whenever I wear mustard, any type of yellow color, this is my pop of color. Now, let me step back. Let me just show you. This is my pop of color of choice. Whether you are wearing a full mustard colored dress, whenever there is that color in there, trust and believe you can pop some red. You can put pink. Actually, you can put whatever solid color you choose to with that yellow. Hold on. Before we go any further, let's get to business. If you are not subscribed to my channel, let's stop right now, exit out, click that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell that's right next to it. Don't forget, at the end of this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at enhanced_beauty. Make sure you like my Facebook page, Enhanced Beauty by Ursula. Make sure you are following me on Twitter at the Enhancer, THEEE. Enhancer. And of course, make sure you following my girl at Chloe's Closet. That's Chloe's with a Z _ closet with an S. Now, let's get back to the video at hand. All right, I am back. Another one of my favorite combinations. Girls are out. I'm sorry, I just was looking. Anyway, got the denim on top, the black on the bottom, which these Bermudas are from one of my favorites. I mixed and matched here. The top came from Rainbow, and my Bermudas, as well as my heels, these are from the Nova. I'm telling y'all, I will definitely be on PR. Come on, Fashion Nova. Anyway, I love to pop red with denim and black. People always ask me, how do you know how to match? But honestly, I don't. I just put whatever color with what I want. I just make it work. I don't know if y'all remember the movie Players Club, how Diamond was told, I don't know if she told it to someone told it to her, however it went, you make the money, don't let the money make you. Well, I make the outfit. I don't let the outfit make me. To give you a guide and just kind of a generalization of how you can do it. But once you really get to doing it, you will do it however you want to do it as well. Let me let y'all know something. Don't throw no shade when you see me rocking one of these outfits, because I am going to rock them, and I will post pictures on my Instagram page. Back with another popular combination, black and white. Black and white can go with any pop of color you choose, because black and white is very basic. Let me point out, I am definitely a Nova babe. This is Fashion Nova from top to bottom. I'm on the radar. So anyway, black and white is very popular. Everyone wears it. It's like the go-to combination. Let me just say, if I was wearing this outfit, me myself wouldn't do a pop of color per se. I would pop the denim. These heels are actually a light colored denim with the black net on each side. But because it's black and white, like I said, you can pop red, you can pop yellow, you can pop green, orange, Whatever color you choose, you can do that because it's black and white. Now remember, I have the denim on the shoes. I have the pop of red on the lips. And if I was really going out somewhere, I can pop this yellow crossbody bag right across. And do you see? We have a fit. And no one can say that doesn't match because it's your style. It's all about how you rock it. Whatever you wear, however you wear it. If you are rocking it, and when I say rock it, I mean rocking it from head to toe. That means your hair is on point. Your outfit is on point. Your nails. You don't have to wear acrylic nails. You can have just plain polish as long as they are neatly groomed. Your shoes, your makeup, even if you're not wearing a full beat. As long as everything is on point, do it however you want to bring your color in. That's what you do. Hashtag Rocket Girl. Hashtag Poppin Girl. I'm wanting to show you here is when you have something that is multicolored. By the way, y'all already know, Fashion Nova. You can really pull whatever color you want. Here we have several colors. We have pink, yellow, black, a little bit of turquoise, a little lavender. Really, red is not in this, but you can pop red with this. I paired it with yellow because I brought out the yellow, and I told y'all in the beginning that this is my color this season, so I wanted to pop the yellow in it. I probably would keep it simple and do a black bag like so, but again, you can pull whatever color you want out of something that is multicolor. It's all up to you and how you choose to rock. You make the outfit. The outfit don't make you. Okay. All right, y'all. She is popping. I can't lie, I've gotten beside myself. I don't have a flat stomach. I don't have a six-pack. But baby, I'm going to flaunt it. Anyway, what I'm showing you here is Camouflage. This is a very popular print. Everybody wears camo, but let's get into this. Here you have several different colors. Here's your red. I'm popping the red on my lip. My heels are red. With this, you can pop any one of these colors. Here's your pink. You have the green, you have purple, orange, yellow, the blue. However you want it, it's no right or wrong way. I can pop this yellow right here because I'm bringing out the yellow here. I have the red, I have the red, and I have the red. Again, you can mix and match whatever color you choose because it is all about your personal style. And with your personal style, there is no right or wrong way to do it. Fashion is a matter of who you are and what your style is and being yourself. When you walk into a room, your style, your confidence, all of that will speak and you will own what you are wearing. I don't care what colors you're wearing. I have a few fashion words to leave with you. Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. The only BS we need are our bags and our shoes. And I always tell myself this, dress like you're already famous. And always remember too, it is not what you wear, it is how you wear it. For the sake of this video, I can go on and on. Cannot stress to you enough. It is all about your personal style. You can wear whatever color you choose to with whatever color you want. It's all up to you. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click your bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you check the description box down below. I will have links for this ensemble right here. And last but not least, make sure you share. I'll see you beauties in the next one. Adios. Stay popping, YouTube.